Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject reasoning, chapter number 5, and the name of the chapter is puzzles, and this is our lecture number 1. What is mathematical puzzles? Math puzzles are based on mathematical or numerical facts, rules and objects, or whose solution requires strong logical reason. मैथमेटिकल पजल क्या होता है बेटा? मैथमेटिकल पजल जो है वो हमारा बेस्ड होता है मैथमेटिकल और न्यूमेरिकल फैक्ट्स के ऊपर. जो हम मैथ्स करते हैं उन्हीं फैक्ट्स के ऊपर ये बेस होता है. ओके, रूल्स एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स, और जो रूल्स उसमें फॉलो हो रहे होते हैं वी हैव टू ऑब्जर्व एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दैट पजल. ओके बेटा, सो लेट्स do it with an example. Now in this example we have given a number 25. Okay, and here we have given a number 12 and here it is given question mark. Now we have to put a number here. So here beta it is given 25 and in this row it should also be 25, from which we have given number 12. Okay, and we have to make the total of 25. So which number we will add in 12 to make 25? That is number 13. Okay, so here we will write number 13. 12 plus 13, that is equal to 25. Now here again we have given a number 10. Second number we have given number 7 and we have to fill a number here. Now first we will add 10 plus 7, that is equal to 17, and we have to make the total of 25. So which number we will add in 17 to make it 25? That is number 8. So here we will write number 8. Understood beta? How we have to fill these question marks or blanks in this? First we have given number 25, then we have given two numbers whose addition should be 25. Okay, so 12 was given to us, then we have written here number 13 to make the total of 12 and 13, that is equal to 25. And in this column we have three numbers, 10 and 7 we have already given, and when we will add this 10 and 7 it will become 17 and we have to make it 25. So which number we have to add in 17 to make 25? That is number 8. Understood beta? In this way you have to solve the puzzles which I am giving you in your homework. Okay, let's see your homework. Here question number 1, we have given number 15, next number is 7 and here you have to fill this question mark. Next number is 3, 6 and question mark. You have to fill numbers here. Okay. Now question number 2. We will see in this what is given to us. Number 10. Here it is given number 4. You have to fill it. And number 2, number 5 and here question mark. Means you have to make the total 15 of each row. इस रो का 15 है, यहाँ पे भी 15 बनाना है हमें और लास्ट रो में भी 15 बनाना है. टोटल शुड बी 15. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 इट शुड बी 10. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हियर वी हैव गिवन नंबर 12. दिस इज 8. यू हैव टू फिल दिस. अगेन वी हैव गिवन 4, 5 एंड यू हैव टू फिल दिस. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन टोटल शुड बी नंबर 12. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. Here we have given number 20. Here it is given 10. You have to fill this. In this row 6, 6 and here you have to fill. Understood beta? Now homework solution of chapter number 4, coding, lecture number 2. Here we have given in a certain code if 567 is equal to 678, 102 is equal to 213, then what code is used for 6? So Here beta, we have given options. Option number A is 6, option number B 7, C 8 and D 1. Okay, now we have to find out that what code is used for number 6. In this given code, you can see that 5 is equal to 6, 6 is equal to 7, 7 is equal to 8. Means whatsoever number is given to us, we are adding 1 to that number and we will get the code for that number. Understood? So here we have given number, we have to find out the code for number 6. So which code is used? That is number 7. So here we will write given code is 1 more than the given digit. So code used for 6 is 7 and it is in option number B. So option number B is correct. Understood beta? Now question number 2. In a certain code, if M is equal to 2, T is equal to 4, E is equal to 9, H is equal to 8 and A is equal to 5, then what is the code for math? M-A-T-H, math. So here options are number A 4592, B 2549, C 2548, D 2458. So here we have given code for M is equal to 2. After that A is there and code for A is number 5. Then T is coded as 4 and H, that is coded as 8. So code for math is 2548 and it is given in option number C. So option number C is correct. Now question number 3. In a certain code, if 5 is equal to V, 6 is equal to X, 9 is equal to O, 1 is equal to Y and 2 is equal to Z, then what code is used for X, Y, Z? So here in this question we have given options A 679, B 912, C 562 and D 612. Now we will write its solution that code for X, that is equal to 6, for Y it is equal to 1 and Z, that is equal to 2. Means 2 is equal to Z or Z is equal to 2, same thing is there. So code for X, Y, Z, that is equal to 612 and it is given in option number D. So option number D is correct. Clear beta? Now in a certain code, if T is 1, S is equal to 8, O is equal to 9 and P is equal to 4, then what code is used for TOP, top? Options are A 156, B 894, C 194 and D 3. So here in this question, code for T, that is equal to 1. After that O is given, O is equal to 9 and for P, that is equal to 4. So code for top is 194, that is in option number C. So option number C is correct. Now question number 5. In a certain code, if how, HOW, how means 6, YOU, U means 7, ARER means 5, then what code is used for how are you? So here options are A 675, B 756, C 657 and D none of these. None of these means इनमें से कोई भी नहीं. So here in this question we have to use code for how, that is equal to 6, for R, that is equal to 5 and for U, that is equal to 7. So code for how are you is 657. So it is given in option number C. So option number C is correct. Understood beta?